Look at him. Something feels very strange right now.
He looks really scary.
I do not trust him at all. Big body, dark beard, and very serious face. He looks dangerous. We should be very careful. That looks like blood on his shirt. He is a killer. We must stay away from him. Stop saying that. You are imagining things again. We saw him clearly. He looks very suspicious. Did you see exactly what he was doing? He is just a normal neighbor. Do not worry.
Max hears something. Maybe there is danger outside.
He is cutting something. That looks like a real head. Oh no, this is getting really scary now. Please sit down and eat your dinner quietly. I still think he is very dangerous. Yes, I feel like something is wrong. Stay close to me, Max. Do not leave me alone. What is he dragging? That looks very heavy. That must be a body, I am very sure. He is going to hide it somewhere outside. I am really scared. I do not feel safe.
He is digging a hole. This is very bad.
Close the window now. We must hide quickly. Okay, I will. He will see us if we do not hide. Tomorrow morning, we must tell Mom everything. Yes. Wake up now. We need to check outside. Mom is talking to him right now. He might hurt her. We must help her. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. It's lovely to be here.
We must warn her before something bad happens. Mom, please listen to us right now. I'm listening. Come here, my dears. We're just glad you're safe.
Hello, everyone. It is nice to meet you.
Please stay away from us. Do not come closer.
You don't have to be scared. I just want to talk to you.
We don't want any trouble. Why are you afraid of me?
We thought you were a monster.
I am just your neighbor. We know what you did. You are dangerous.
I know it looks bad, but you've got it all wrong. No, that is not true at all.
That's what we saw.
We know it was you.
But I didn't do it.
Oh.
That was just a smoothie, not blood.
Oh, thank goodness.
A smoothie? Are you really telling the truth?
Yes, truly a smoothie made from fruits.
Real fruits, like apples and bananas?
Exactly. Nothing to be scared of.
Yes. It is a tomato drink, nothing scary.
maybe we were wrong about that. I think so. I think so too.
This pumpkin is for soup, not anything bad.
So it was not a head like we thought?
No, it was just food. For cooking. That bag was old trash, nothing dangerous.
So it was not a body at all. Oh, I see. That makes me feel much better.
I was digging a pond for my fish.
We were completely wrong about everything. Yeah, we really were. Do not judge people before knowing the truth.
We are really sorry for thinking bad things. It is okay. You were just scared.
Look, Max likes you very much.
Oh, I think he does. He's a good boy.
Come on, Boyd.
Come inside and see my backyard.
This place is nice. Not scary at all.
I know, it's beautiful. The fish are so beautiful and colorful. They are, aren't they? Look at the blue one.
I take care of animals every day.
You are actually very kind and helpful.
Thank you, I appreciate that. You both are very kind children.
It is late now. Everyone go to sleep.
Good night. I feel safe now.
Stay quiet. Do not make any noise. I will break the window carefully.
The lights are off. Something is wrong. Wake up. I hear something outside. Max is barking. Someone is here.
Let's go inside quickly. Let's go inside quickly.
I see them. Something is not right. I will help them. Do not worry.
Stay close together and do not move.
Go away right now. Leave our house.
Come here. Come here. I saw you.
Hold the door tight. Do not let them in. I have an idea. This will stop them.
I slipped on something.
It worked. That was a great idea.
Stop right now and do not move.
Who is that man behind us? Leave this house immediately, or face consequences.
We will protect our family together. Take this! You cannot see anything now!
I cannot see. Everything is white. I slipped again. This is too much.
I got both of you. Do not move. Please let us go. We will not come back.
I am calling the police right now. Yes, officers, please come quickly. There are intruders in our home. We are safe now. Everything is okay.
It is over. You are all safe now.
Thank you.
The police are here to help us.
You are under arrest for breaking in.
The bad people are gone now.
Thank you so much for helping us.
It was my pleasure, Grace.
It was my duty to protect you.
We were wrong about you from the beginning.
We're so sorry for misunderstanding you, Mr. Ray.
It's all right, children.
It is okay. You learned something important.
Let's sit down and eat together now.
I will cook something special for everyone.
Oh, wow. You cook so fast and so well.
This food tastes really amazing.
I'm so glad you like it.
Yuang. You are a very good neighbor.
You are a wonderful family, too.
We learned not to judge people quickly.
Yes, we must understand before we decide.